Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a short wheelbase panel van. It's also a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed manual gearbox. This van is a used 20 plate, and it's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a walk around the van. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice fog lights and front parking sensors. You'll also notice two nice chrome strips in the centre grille. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but the system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the van again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. The mirrors are also power folding and heated. This is ideal for leaving the van on a busy road and cold winter months. And to this side, you will notice a manual sliding door. Moving into the load area, you will notice that it's fitted with a bulkhead to the back of the front seats. As I pan the video around, you will notice that it's fitted with wood ply lining, including the floor. To the back of the van, you will notice it's fitted with rear barn doors without windows. Moving across the rear bumper, you will notice reverse parking sensors. Moving up, this van is fitted with standard rear lights. You'll also notice the transporter badge and the VW emblem on the rear doors. Moving again into the rear load area, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. Across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. On both doors, you will notice these door release catches, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in Ascot Grey, which is a solid paint. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a chunky feel leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we move to the back of the van, you will notice the bulkhead. You'll also notice 3 comfortable seats in bricks woven fabric. Also, the driver's seat has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I've now finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in a driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window controls. Down here, you will notice it's fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you will notice media controls. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 7,440 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can change settings on the instrument cluster. If I go back into the audio settings, I'd like to show you that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash, you'll notice a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with AM, FM and DAB radio. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. It's also fitted with 2 USB-C charge ports, which are down here. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. Next we have App Connect. This will allow you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps from your mobile phone. My specific favourite at the moment is Waze and my downloaded music app. If I pop the van into reverse, you will notice a parking aid for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van is fitted with a heated front windscreen for cold winter months. It's also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. And lastly, here we have the 5-speed manual gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter short wheelbase panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 110 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 5-speed
If you would
manual
like any
gearbox.
more information on this used approved 20 plate panel van, please call 0121 514
0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.